Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F23 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can simply take a look at this option bar. Right in the middle we've got the camera timer, so let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got basically 4 different options from which we can choose, so we can keep the timer off, but also we've got 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So all you have to do in order to set the delay, just find and tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick 10 seconds, and as you can see the icon changed. We can check that we've got 10 seconds delay, and all we have to do right now is to simply tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, I don't know what happened. Okay, right now, after touching the shutter button, your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. I have no idea what happened before. So now let me, for example, pick 2 seconds delay, and the same situation, but right now it is counting now from 2. Of course, you can turn it off just by tapping on this icon on the very left, and as you can see, from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Samsung Galaxy F23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.